Right, I'm doing some Christmas cards today. Right, what have I got? I've put, I will be putting, rather, a little freebie up. Now, you have to bear with me on this one, okay? Because it's one of my paintings and I'm always a little bit self-conscious of, you know, when I paint or whatever. And I've turned it into like a topper, and I thought it didn't look too bad. Sometimes I really dislike my artwork like this, but I'm actually quite happy with this. I mean, I got the actual, you know, it hasn't come out of my head. I followed something on Pinterest, you know, something that I liked, and then I drew it and painted it. So yeah, and I've done this, but like I said, just, you know, I am going to do my Christmas cards out of this, and I thought I'd offer it as a freebie. So I've got like 4 different sort of backgrounds, that all spots, of course, but it's sort of like taken from the colour from this and the green and that sort of thing. So I thought I would just, you know, put them together and see what they turn out like. I'm going to use craft cardstock because I still got a few of the 5x7s, so I'm gonna sort of use it. I've got a lot of square ones, but I got a few of these left. Sorry, that's not square. Yeah, so I'm gonna dry brush. I've just got one of these shoulder brushes, big ones. Ooh. And I sort of let's get some on there. I only want it around the edges because that's all you're going to see anyway. So I'm just going to sort of lighten up the card a bit. I am quite impatient when I do this. It's I do sort of rush it really. I've just done a few, so I've got a few there to get on with. I haven't printed out any inserts or anything yet, so just sort of around the outside, really. Let's square this card up. I mean, it's not me cutting it, this is bought cards, so. Right, I'm just going to use that bit up on a few more cards and I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut some pieces out. What have I chosen for this one? I thought I'd have that. Hold on a minute. Can't get hold of it. On the background, I've cut it down to about, so you've got about 1/4 inch all the way around, depending on what size card you're using. And then this one, I come in 1/4 inch more. The layer I've inked around and I've distressed, okay, with all the layers. Yeah, this is the bit that come off done there, and I thought, no, I'm not going to waste that, so that's going to sort of go underneath, and I'm going to carry it on through the back there, and then just put a bit of washi tape or something on the back. So it's always nice if you've got something on the back, isn't it? I mean, this will all be straight, by the way, but I'm just having another look. Let's have a look. Yeah, I definitely prefer the, you know, the white edges. That's great. That's better. Right, make sure it's the right way around. Yep. That won't be a first. Right. Let's see. So let's go around the back. Okay. So what I'm going to do is stick these together. Okay. And I'm going to stitch around in red on mine, I think. Let's see if I can find my glue. Ah, right in front of me. So you don't have to stitch, of course you don't. Just going to see what that looks like a minute. Okay, I'll bring that out to stitch around. So actually I'm wondering whether black would have looked nice around there. Yeah, I think it would have done really. Yeah, I'm going to go with black. Okay, just had a, yeah, definitely. Okay, well I'll go and stitch around. Okay, that's done. I think I am going to stitch it onto the card. So I just feel like stitching around that. So you could do loads of them up, if you know what I mean, and then just either glue them on or stitch them on. But you could mass do these easily, and any topper really. But the backgrounds are coming for any of your other toppers as well. Didn't fill my glue up. So I'll stay in there because I'll stitch on the outside of the other one. So I mean, you could shrink these down as well, you know, so even smaller cards. Right, I'm going to go and stitch around that. There we go, and then I'm going to glue that bit down. Like that. And then I'm going to put that there. I think I'm going to mount that a little bit. And some sparkly gems or something. Yeah. And that should lighten it up, brighten it up. Okay, I like that, it's different. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to find some gems, see if I got any handy a minute. Okay, found the gems. Yeah, so I thought I might as well use the red ones. Don't think I'd use those colour, definitely Christmas colours, aren't they? For anything but Christmas, so. Oh. Here we go. Oh, back. See, I nearly forgot. And I think I'll just put a little bit of this on as well. That's number one. Right, on with another one then. I've only printed it out twice actually. I could have done with printing out loads more. Might have to do that in a minute. Actually, I did print it up twice. No, I don't like those colours. That's okay. That's all right. Yeah, definitely need some more. Hold on. Right, so I've got another one. And it's going to be slightly different again. So I'm still going to have this bit. This is going to go under there. Sort of like that. So I'm going to put that on first. I've inked around everything and cut everything out just to save time. So I do like it there. But I feel that's a bit naked down the bottom. So I might be putting that in the centre this time. Okay, right. So I'm going to stitch around that. I shall stitch up there and down there. Okay, and then on this one, and then I'll stitch this onto the card. And then that will go there. That's far too long. So cut that off. Okay. Yep. Right, so let's go and do that. Okay, so I stitched all that one together. Okay, and put that on the back. Ooh. Where it's gone. There we go. Okay, and I done another one of the first one, but in red, like that. So that's great. So that's the three I've done. I just pinned that one up there, and that was the first one. Okay, so I hope you got a bit of inspiration from that, and I hope you like it anyway. Like I say, it's a little freebie I'm giving to the group. So, okay, thank you very much for watching then, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.